How to change Google location. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Google application on your device. So as you tap on Google, just make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on manage your Google account. Now it will lead you to a new page where you can just tap on the personal info and then scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the option of addresses over here. So just tap on the location that you would want to change, and then here as you get inside, then you'll be able to see the address. So right now it's the current address. Now you can change it to any of the other addresses that you would want to change. After that, tap on save, tap on done again, and there you go, you have changed your Google location. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.